Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on basic index laws. The basic index laws are summarized as follows. A to the m times a to the n is a to the power of m plus n. When the two bases are the same, you just add the indices when you are multiplying. Number 2, a to the m divided by a to the n is a to the power of m minus n. When the two bases are the same, you subtract the indices when dividing. A to the m to the power of n is a to the power of mn. All you do is multiply the indices. AB all to the power of m is a to the m times b to the m. And finally, a to the power of 0 equals 1. So let's have a look at some particular example. A to the power of 3 multiplied by a to the power of 5 is a to the power of 8. That's the first example. M to the power of 3 all squared is m to the power of 6. 2 3s are 6. That's this example here. 5a to the power of 0 is 5 times 1, which gives us 5. Because a to the power of 0 or to the power of 0 is 1, 5 ones are 5. That comes from this one here. M to the power of 8 divided by m squared is m to the power of 6. Because 8 take away 2 is 6. That's the second one. 4m to the power of 4k cubed, all squared. Now, the number in front, which is a 4, you square that, so that gives you 16. M to the 4th all squared is m to the 8th, and k cubed all squared is k to the power of 6. So that's the answer. 15k to the power of 6 divided by 3k squared. 15 divided by 3 is 5. K to the 6th divided by k squared is k to the power of 4. Here we have three terms, so if we do those two first, excuse me, excuse me, 3 6s are 18, that gives you the 18. W to the power of 5 multiplied by w to the power of 3 is w to the power of 8. So we have 18w to the power of 8 divided by 9w squared. There's your 9w squared here. 18 divided by 9 is 2. And here 8 take away 2 is 6. So that's the answer. Over here we have, we'll look at the numbers in front first. 24 divided by 2 gives us 12. 12 divided by 4 gives us 3. So that's that part. H to the power of 9 divided by h squared gives us h to the power of 7. Of course, you just subtract the indices. H to the power of 7 divided by h to the power of 5 is h to the power of 2. So that is the answer. So this video has introduced some examples to show us how to use the basic index laws.